Hi, this is Suzanne for Rainbow Loom. Today I'll be showing you how to make the Diamond Ridge bracelet. This is a beginner level design. To make this bracelet you will need 14A colored bands, 24B colored bands, 24C colored bands, and a C-clip. I will be using black, white, and pink. It's a good idea to have your supplies ready before you begin, so pause the video here until you're ready to follow along. Now, let's get started. Turn the loom so that the red arrow is pointing away from you. Start by placing 12 A-colored bands along the center of the loom. We'll start from the center pin and place a single chain of the A-colored bands up the center of the loom. So we'll just fast forward till we get to the end. And there we finish placing that last band. Next, we'll place 8 bands in a diamond pattern up the center of the loom. We'll grab a B band, and the first band will be placed from the center out to the left. 2B will be placed from the center to the right. 3B will be placed from the left to the center, and 4B will be placed from the right to the center. We'll start from this pin and we'll continue with our C bands. 5C will be placed from the center to the left, 6C from the center to the right, 7C from the left to the center, and 8C from the right to the center. I'll repeat this pattern one more time and then we'll fast forward to the end of the loom. Pause the video here to refer to the graphic on your screen until you reach the end of the loom. 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5C, 6C, 7C, 8C. And these last bands will be placed to the center. And we push all these bands down on the loom. And on this last pin, we'll place a cap band. Grab an A-colored band, twist it into a figure 8, turn it back upon itself, and place it over that last pin. Now we're ready to start looping the bands. Turn your loom so that the red arrow is pointing toward you. Refer to the graphic on your screen as you loop the first 10 bands. With your hook, pull back the cap band, that's your A band, and you will reach over and grab band 1C. Once you have that, you'll hold your cap band down and pull 1C out to the left. Pull back your cap band again and pull band 2C out to the right. The third band you will loop will be your A band up the center. So pull that back and pull that forward. Band 4C will loop from the left to the center. You can reach in the point of that teardrop, slide around, Get that band and pull it to the center. And the same thing over here for band 5C. Get that and pull it to the center. The next band to loop will be band 6. That's a B colored band. You'll place your hook down through the channel, pull all the bands above that band back. You'll be grabbing the top B band and you'll pull that out to the left. You can tell by how it made that teardrop shape you grabbed the right band. Again, you'll put your hook down through the channel. You'll grab that B band, which will be band 7B, and you pull it out to the right. You'll loop this one next. You'll loop your center band next. That's 8A. Put your hook down through the channel, grab that A band, pull it up, and to the forward pin. Next you'll loop band 9B. You can slide your hook in that point, put it over forward in front of the pin, grab that and pull it to the center. And again on this side for band 10B, pull those bands back, grab your B band and pull it to the center. Now we'll repeat this one more time before we fast forward. 1C, 2C, 3A, 4C, 5C, 6B. Again on this one it's that top B band, it's pulled to the left, and the second B band, which is 7B, is pulled to the right. The 8th band will be your A band. Pull these bands back, grab that, and pull your A band forward. 9B will be looped from the left to the center, and 10B will be looped from the right to the center. And at the end, we pull that band to the center, this one to the center, and this one. Now it's time to finish the bracelet. You'll pull all these bands up to the top of that last pin, scrunch them up there. You'll slide your hook down through that channel and tilt it out to the side. You want to make sure all those bands are over the hook. You'll get an A colored band, put it over the end of the hook and pull back. Pull your hook back as you slide up through that and get your bands, both of them, up on the hook to the thickest part. Then with your fingers, you can start pulling the bracelet from the loom. And then you secure that cap band at the end. Now we'll extend the bracelet. You'll turn your loom so that the red arrow is pointing away from you. On one side of the loom, you'll form a single chain of bands for your extension. If it's a smaller wrist, you may only need 3 or 4 bands. If the wrist is larger, you may need 6 or more. Now, on this last pin, You'll stretch your cap band from that pin to this next one. And then you'll loop the single chain of bands. Then once you reach this last pin, you'll pull that to the middle, and that creates this area that you can secure your C-clip. Grab your C-clip with the open side forward, snap it over that last band and make sure that's on there. Then you can pull up your extension. On the other end, you pull your hook away, slide your 2 fingers in that area that creates this area to attach the C-clip. Pull your bands to one side of the C-clip, secure it, snap it over the other. And there you have your finished Diamond Ridge bracelet.